vast, silent emptiness of space, two tiny messengers from a small blue world are hurtling into the unknown. They are the furthest human-made objects from home, carrying the hopes, dreams, and story of a species that dared to look up at the stars and wonder. This is the story of the Voyager mission, perhaps the single greatest journey of exploration ever undertaken by humanity. It's an epic tale of scientific ambition, cosmic discovery, and a message in a bottle, cast into the cosmic ocean. It all began in the 1960s with a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. Astronomers realized that in the late 1970s, the outer planets Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune would align in a way that wouldn't happen again for another 176 years. This grand tour alignment meant a spacecraft could use the gravity of each planet to slingshot itself to the next. Like a cosmic game of billiards, NASA saw its chance. This was the moment to explore the giants of our solar system, worlds we had only seen as faint points of light through telescopes. The goal was ambitious, audacious even, to send robotic emissaries on a journey to the very edge of the Sun's influence and beyond. So, in the summer of 1977, the mission began. Interestingly, Voyager 2 launched first, on August 20th, designed for the full grand tour. A few weeks later, on September 5th, Voyager 1 lifted off on a faster, shorter trajectory. Both were equipped with a suite of instruments, cameras to capture stunning images, spectrometers to analyze atmospheres, and magnetometers to measure magnetic fields. Think of them as robotic geologists, meteorologists, and physicists all rolled into one. Voyager 1's path was a direct shot to Jupiter and Saturn, while Voyager 2 was our patient marathon runner, set to visit all four gas giants. And what a show they gave us. As Voyager 1 approached Jupiter in 1979, it sent back images that shattered our understanding of the planet. We saw not a placid ball of gas, but a turbulent, violent world of swirling storms, with the great red spot revealed as a hurricane larger than 3 Earths. But the biggest surprise was orbiting Jupiter. On its moon, Io Voyager discovered active volcanoes erupting sulfur hundreds of miles into space, the first time active volcanism had been seen anywhere other than Earth. It was like finding a geological pulse in the outer solar system. Then it was on to Saturn. Voyager 1 flew past the ring jewel, giving us breathtaking, razor-sharp views of its complex ring system, woven from trillions of ice particles. It studied Saturn's giant moon, Titan, revealing a thick, hazy atmosphere, hinting at a mysterious world beneath. After Saturn, Voyager 1's planetary mission was over. Its trajectory flung it upwards, out of the plane of the planets, on a one-way trip towards interstellar space. Meanwhile, Voyager 2 was just getting started. After its own spectacular encounters with Jupiter and Saturn, it sailed on into the great unknown. In 1986, it became the first and only spacecraft to visit Uranus. What it found was bizarre. Uranus is tilted on its side, spinning like a rolling barrel, with a faint dark ring system and a family of icy cratered moons. Then, in 1989, Voyager 2 reached Neptune. The last stop on its grand tours, it revealed a deep blue world, whipped by the fastest winds in the solar system, with a mysterious great dark spot storm raging in its atmosphere. It discovered strange geyser-like eruptions of nitrogen ice on its moon, Triton. For the first time, we saw these distant worlds not as smudges of light, but as real, dynamic places. But the Voyagers carried more than just scientific instruments. Attached to the side of each spacecraft is a golden record, a 12-inch gold-plated copper disc, conceived by a team led by the great Carl Sagan. It's a time capsule of Earth. It contains 115 images of our world and our civilization, sounds of nature like wind, rain, and whale songs, music from different cultures and eras, and spoken greetings in 55 languages. It's a message, a greeting to any cosmic wanderers who might one day find it. It says, "This is our planet. This is who we are. We hope our paths cross in peace." It's humanity's most hopeful gesture, a whisper into the galactic night. After their planetary flybys, the Voyagers continued their journey outward. In 2012, Voyager 1 made history. It crossed the heliopause, the boundary where the sun's solar wind gives way to the vast expanse between the stars. It had officially entered interstellar space. For the first time, a human-made object was sailing through the stuff of the galaxy itself, sampling the ancient dust and gas from which stars are born. Voyager 2 followed its twin across this cosmic shore in 2018. Even now, they continue to send back data from this uncharted territory, giving us our first taste of what lies beyond our solar bubble. Today, Voyager 1 is over 15 billion miles from Earth. Voyager 2 is trailing behind at over 12 billion miles. Their signals, traveling at the speed of light, now take nearly a full day to reach us. The power of their transmissions is incredibly faint, less than the wattage of a refrigerator. Light bulbs spread across billions of miles. It takes a global network of giant radio antennas, the Deep Space Network, to hear their faint whispers. But their time is running out. Their plutonium power sources are slowly decaying. To conserve energy, engineers have been shutting down instruments one by one. Sometime around 2025, their last instruments will fall silent, and then there will be nothing. When that day comes, humanity will lose its farthest eyes and ears. But the journey of the Voyagers will be far from over. They will drift silently through the Milky Way galaxy for eons, long after our cities have crumbled, long after our sun has died. For potentially billions of years, these two small, silent machines will carry our story, our music, our image, through the cosmos. They are a testament not just to our ingenuity, but to our deepest, most human impulse, to explore, to learn, to reach for what lies beyond the horizon. The Voyager mission is more than a scientific achievement. It's a poem written in mathematics and engineering, a story of hope on a journey without end. Thank you for watching. If you were inspired by this journey, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stories from our amazing universe.